Okay, in this video we're just going to have a look at blogs. You can click on blogs to see what's there, or you can write your own blog as well. So I'm going to concentrate in this video on writing your own blog. It's pretty straightforward. It's not a full-on blogging tool. You can just put a title in, you can select a category, you can write your blog, and when you're ready to publish it, change it to publish. Click publish. If you want to put any tags to it, you just separate each one by a comma. You can add tags as well, and if you remember on the dashboard we've got like a tag cloud. Then you can publish it. It's probably worth mentioning again, it's not super in-depth text editor, but it should, for the purposes of the app, should give you enough to write some articles and share your knowledge. You can add links just by clicking on a link, putting a link in there, what you want to display in the text. I'll just stick a link which I copied earlier. You can select whether that link opens up in the same window or a new window. It makes more sense with this to do it in a new window. Then click save it, add a link. You can add text. We've got some basic text editing there. It's worth mentioning about images. If you wish to add an image, you need to do it source. It's not designed to store images. So to show you what I mean, here's an image that I wish to include from a website. If I right click on that image, select open image in new tab, go to that tab, I can just copy the address of that, the web address of that image, and then just paste that into the source. Alternative description, I would ask you to put an alternative description in, which is a verbal description of what the image is for screen readers. Duck. You can select the size of that image, do the width, it automatically changes the height there, and it will do it vice versa to keep the image in perspective. And you just click save and it puts in our image. We can use the adjust buttons here to move it around. You can drag it if you want to make it a bit bigger. So you should be able to do, you've got all the basics there which will allow you to do a reasonable blog. All your old blogs, posts are shown there. It's going to give me an error because I didn't save the one I just come off, but you can take it back in and you can update, change any of your blog posts that you've already done. If you've done a draft one, it won't show until you change status to publish. So the case may be you're working on something over a few days, it stays in draft, you then need to come back in and publish it. So that's blogs. We also have forums. I'm not going to run into lots of detail on this. Most groups have a forum, but not all. You need to update this. You can go in and post on your forum. There's also a couple of generic forums, so a general all and a startup forum as well, where you can post stuff for people to read and ask questions, that sort of thing.